Hands are burning. What does this sign mean and what to watch out for? Our superstitious ancestors believed in many signs. One of them is the saying, "Hands are on fire." People say that it is not without reason. It can be both a good and a very unfavorable sign. So what does the sign about burning palms mean? If palms burn, then soon you will say goodbye to money. So says the popular wisdom. A person can lose a large amount of money and most likely forever. Only if you come to terms with the situation will you be able to improve your financial situation in the future. If your hands are burning, and after some time your cheeks start to burn, you need to remember your debts. It is not at the right time that the borrowed money gives a burning sensation on the palms. This is a warning that you do not need to delay and repay debts on time. Failure, discord in the family, trouble at work promises a third sign for those who suddenly have a burning sensation in their hands. However, the negative in life will not last long. Having waited a little, it will be possible to return to normal life without significant losses. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Make sure you check useful links in the video description below. Have a great day.